Welcome to another Check-ins video. Today we are doing a quick unboxing of the CQ-K553 CW Straight K, and I'll show you how it feels to use. Right away, you can feel its solid weight. The stainless steel level and base feel sturdy, and the smooth finish gives it a premium touch. The base of the Straight K is stable, with a non-slip pad underneath that keeps it steady during use. It comes with a standard 6.5mm tube front block, which is removable for easy use and replacement. The cable is about 1.3 long, and the overall build feels solid and durable. Now let's talk about the feel. The CQ-K553 has a smooth keystroke with moderate string tension. While pressing lightly or firmly, the spring provides even support. Overall, it feels very comfortable and is ideal for practice for regular CQ operation. In summary, the CQ-K553 offers excellent build quality, smooth operation, and a stable base, making it perfect for CQ enthusiasts. It's a highly cost-effective straight key. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and leave a comment telling me what products you'd like to see. See you next time. 73.